It's another great week and a fantastic way to bring you the information in the world of sports. Let's start with the Ghana Football Association, and it has announced that the Premier League Player of the Month nominees for February, Great Olympics midfielder Michael Yeboah, Hans Kofi of Legon Cities, and Dreams FC's Joseph Eso have all earned recognition for their respective performances in the last month. The winner of the Player of the Month for December award will be announced on Wednesday. The winner will also receive a NASCO television set and a personalized trophy. More in the Ghana Premier League, and Samuel Boadu, Vladislav Veric, and Abdul Hanan have been shortlisted for the NASCO Coach of the Month for February. The three coaches were nominated for the award after following impressive performances of their clubs in the month of February. Before moving to Hartlepool, Coach Samuel Boadu led Mediama Sporting Club to 3 wins and 1 away win. Dreams FC coach Vladislav Veric got his second successive nomination after leading the side to 3 home wins and 1 away win. Abdul Hanan of Brecum Chelsea also, his side secured 3 home wins and a draw away last month. We quickly file jet to Europe and let's do the English Premier League. And Tottenham boss Jose Mourinho believes referee Michael Oliver showed signs of fatigue after giving Arsenal a penalty in the second half of North London derby. Spurs threw away a 1-goal lead at the Emirates Stadium as the Gunners moved to within 4 points of their local rivals with a 2-1 win.
To call it a penalty because it's an offense to the penalties. Worse than our first half. Only Michael Oliver and Paul Tierney decision of giving the penalty. The only thing worse than our first half was that we were defensively poor, but also with the ball, no intensity, no passing and moving. We were poor. Not that I'm pointing the finger to player A, B, or C. I even pointed the finger to myself because we are a team.
Jose Mourinho with the words of how to throw jabs to referees all the time. Now let's hear from Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta, who was extremely happy to win his first North London derby as a manager. Chelsea manager Thomas Tuchel believes the condition of the pitch at Ellen Road hindered their ability to score in their goalless draw at Leeds. Both teams created some chances but failed to stake enough claim to win the game on Saturday. Carlo Ancelotti was left disappointed by Everton's latest struggle at home and hinted they may have to go back to basics. Everton's home form has been poor in comparison to their record on the road this season. After losing 2-1 to Burnley, Everton have now lost 5 of their 7 home league games in 2021. Crystal Palace forward Wilfried Zaha has become the first Premier League player not to take a knee before kickoff. Zaha stood before Saturday's win over West Brom, an action he hopes will highlight that more needs to be done to fight racism. In a statement, the 28-year-old said he will continue to stand tall. Premier League clubs started taking a knee before kickoff to support the Black Lives Matter movement, which rose to prominence following the death of George Floyd in the United States in May 2020. Liverpool manager Jurgen Klopp says Diogo Jota was a big miss for the Reds and his return to fitness is really important for plenty of reasons. Jota missed almost 3 months with a knee injury he sustained against Midtjylland in the Champions League on December 9th, but returned to the Liverpool side as a second-half substitute in last week's defeat by Chelsea. Well, Liverpool will be playing tonight against Wolves at the Molineux. And other games that were also happening in the Premier League this weekend were, first of all, the first kickoff was Leeds and Chelsea. It was a goalless draw. Everton losing at home to Burnley. Fulham also losing at home to Manchester City 3-0. Leicester thrashed Sheffield United 5-0. Arsenal also beat Tottenham in the North London derby 2-1. United also beat West Ham United 1-0. Let's move to the La Liga and look at the results that happened last week. And Real Madrid beat Elche 2-1, and Getafe and Atletico Madrid was a goalless draw. Villarreal went to Eibar and beat them 3-1. Sevilla also beat Betis in the derby 1-0. And tonight, Barcelona will be going head-to-head with Huesca. Let's go to Serie A and do some Serie A Italian football. Atalanta beating Spezia 3-1. Parma beating AS Roma 2-0. Torino also lost at home to Inter Milan 2-1. Cagliari also losing at home to Juventus 3-1. And Napoli went to Milan and snatched a 1-0 win. In the German Bundesliga, we start with Werder Bremen and Bayern Munich. And Bayern Munich beat Werder Bremen away 2-1. Wolfsburg and Schalke also was a win for Wolfsburg 5-0 against Schalke. Dortmund also beat Hertha Berlin 2-0. Bayer Leverkusen and Arminia Bielefeld was a win for Arminia Bielefeld 2-0. RB Leipzig and Frankfurt was a 1-1 draw. Let's go to Ligue 1 in France. In Reims and Lyon was 1-1. Marseille beat Brest 3-1. Lorient Nice was 1-1. AS Monaco and Lille was a goalless draw. PSG also lost at home to Nantes 2-1. To some transfer news now, Zinedine Zidane has refused to rule out a sensational return to Real Madrid for Cristiano Ronaldo. The Portugal international left Los Blancos after 9 years in 2018 in a deal worth €100 million for Juventus. Let's switch gears and do some NBA finally. And Steph Curry inspired the Golden State Warriors to victory over leaders Utah Jazz on his 33rd birthday. Curry scored 32 points as the Warriors ended a 4-game losing streak with a 131-119 win. That's all we have here for MX Breaks. I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.